cancer. This is so much cancer that I can feel the tumors growing on my back. And it's way down heavy on me, and it's not okay. Can you help a nigga out and just stop this? Please?
I don't give a damn if a dame is ugly as sin, with a bunch of scruff on her chin and one functioning limb. She could have 100 babies from maybe 80 babies, daddies, and crazy acne. I don't need a babe to make me happy. She could be Russian with a husband or even my second cousin, as long as she doesn't bust on my lovin'. End of discussion. She could be dyslexic, pits at her wretched. I'll even have sex if she's pregnant, as long as her vagina ain't an arid desert.
Wow.
We like them girls with functioning vaginas, functioning vaginas, functioning vaginas. We like them girls. Next, we like them girls who don't stab, don't stab, don't stab, don't stab, don't stab. We like them girls with functioning vaginas, functioning vaginas, functioning vaginas.
I need a girl who can blow her nose and count her toes and doesn't need help putting on her clothes. Walks on the sidewalk, not in the street. Can at least get flip-flops on her feet. A girl that can form real words with her mouth and color inside the lines. Pass a first grade reading and math test, don't gotta do the best. She's potty trained and don't mess on the floor. I want
Obrigado, Fred.